Hello, this is Patrick. Welcome to Chart Built Wealth, Profitable Investing with Technical Analysis. Another tough day. I will do an update on all of my current holdings. Right now, I wanted to go over crude oil. So let's get into it. It's going to be short and sweet. Here's the longer term, intermediate term chart of crude oil. 3.5 years. And we have this big triangle in the making, a descending triangle with a declining resistance line and the flat support line. Our stop was at 64 and we got stopped out today. So prices closed at 61.99, almost on the lows of the week. Bearish engulfing pattern this week. The big red bar totally engulfed the white bar from the previous week. That adds another negative to it. I mean, I don't like getting stopped out with a 10.5% loss for the week, but got to follow my discipline. If something changes, I will be watching it, but it clearly broke the stop and I'm going to obey that. If you reversed the size of this triangle and projected down, you got a really low price projection. So anyway, stopped out on the weekly chart. I showed you the commitment of traders report and how bullish they were, the big smart money. I thought I'd get an updated figures on that tonight, but I did not. The commercials, the big boys in the business, they will continue to buy. They're not right all the time right away. So you can see here they were less net short. They're never totally long because they own tons and tons and tons of crude oil. But they thought they had this right and they had to double down and buy more, but eventually they get it right. So we will be watching crude oil, but I got to follow my discipline. Also, the seasonality was bullish and the setup was bullish. But again, I got to follow, these are just tendencies and I got to follow the price projection. What's interesting is if you flip to the other side, so if crude oil broke down beneath the support line, that means that I'm bearish on oil. Didn't break out to the upside, it broke down on the downside. And you can see we're not even oversold yet. So, this suggests that oil could go down quite a bit more. So, what do I look at? Possibly shorting oil. And this is just one that I've charted for a long time and used previously. This is the ultra short. So this is double 200 times crude oil on the short side. But you got a nice inverse head and shoulders pattern here. A man or woman hanging upside down. The left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder, and the neckline. Now, after it being up 15% this week, I didn't buy any. I'm hoping that oil tries to rally early next week, and I may kind of nibble at this. But if you use this instrument, you got to remember it's 2 times. So whatever your normal, my short positions are always smaller than my long positions. And if it's 200%, then it's even half of that. So it's just something for you to think about. Thank you. Thank you for watching. That was not a recommendation to short oil at this point. I just wanted to show you kind of the perspective that I have when something goes against the pattern that crude oil was in this case. So thank you for watching Chart Built Wealth, Profitable Investing with Technical Analysis. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a great evening and a great weekend. Don't think about the market.